Hi, my name is Claire. I've been a nanny governess PA for 13 years now. I also studied an early years degree at university, which I learned all the relevant milestones from birth to 11 years. I've also worked in many primary schools and nurseries as an assistant stroke nursery nurse. I like to think that I'm a fun but firm nanny that always makes the children feel at ease and happy and content whilst in my care, but also, whilst instilling a good routine with discipline. I'm a mature nanny, almost 41. I love to cook. I enjoy eating many cuisines. In my spare time, I enjoy keeping fit, swimming, shopping, interior design, watching movies, box sets, and I love to travel. And I've been, lucky enough to see many places all over the world, beautiful places through my job. I have worked for many VIP high-profile families, so I'm very comfortable working in fully staffed households with, cooks, housekeepers, drivers, other nannies, bodyguards, etc. I'm available to start as soon as possible, and I'm looking for my next role to be long-term, ideally on a rota basis where I can grow and become part of the family whilst on duty, and then still get to spend time with my own family and friends on my off time. I never treat my role as just a job. I treat every child in my care with love and respect as if they were my own children. I have a full UK driving licence and passport. I have no children, no pets, so I'm totally flexible and committed to the family that I'm working for. I really, hope to secure a trial. I look forward to, starting on a trial basis ASAP. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.